Hey guys, today we are going to look into a topic called using the where keyword in Java. So where and all we can use this where keyword in Java. So what are the places? So what are the and where we can't able to use this where keyword? So what place and all we can use this where keyword, and what like why this where keyword, from where it came. So we can discuss that detailing about in this video. Okay, so initially from the JDK 10 onwards, this var keyword, the Java has introduced the var keyword. Okay, so what is this var keyword? So this var keyword is nothing about the just without explicitly saying that to the compiler that it is a string type, it is an integer type. I don't want to say that. We can just just declaring that var a variable with the var keyword, then immediately the compiler will assume that, okay, based upon the value it will assume that this variable is this type. Like for example, okay, var I am not defining any data type here, just 0. So here you can see that it is not throwing any compiler, so it's just saying that I is equal to 0, so it's a int type. Okay, so the same thing where s is equal to hello world, right? So previously we have to write int I is equal to 0. So but from Java 10 onwards, okay, from Java 10 onwards, this they had introduced this var keyword. So this is the main advantage of the var keyword, right? So from where this came, this var keyword? So we know that it is from JavaScript. Okay, so from the JavaScript they had added this var keyword. Actually the JavaScript, if you JavaScript language, if you saw, that means there we are defining the variables of the var keyword. So from there it is using we are just the Java has added this var keyword here. Okay, so the next point is, okay, right now I had added this to this, and just I'm printing this I. Let's see what's happened. Okay, it will print 10 to the bottom. Yeah, it's done. So let me print this one. So it will print hello world. Yeah, done. So from the next thing what we can do is same is so where and all we can't able to use this, like what are the criteria, like what are the constraints to use this var keyword. Okay, so what are the constraints? First, okay, we can start from the initial, right? So we can't able to use this var keyword as a global variable. K is equal to 10. If I am having this var keyword here, it will not compile fine. The Java is not happy at all. Okay, so the var keyword we can't able to use as a first thing, we not as a global variable. The second thing, okay, in the constructor, sorry, as a constructor org, okay, great, here look. So as a constructor org also we can't able to use this var keyword. Let me, if I am typing this in, it will compile fine, but if I am typing with the var keyword, it will not accept. So the constructor org also it will not work happily. So the next thing, I am writing a static method, static void invoke call. Here look, I am adding this var keyword to the static method. So here also it is throwing error. So with the method also this will not support var. So then next we can check with the instance method type. Okay, void invoke call to var void. Okay, so here also it's not supported. So here also it's throwing the same error, where nothing, everything it's not at all happy. So as a for the method arguments, it will not support the var, okay, and also with the global variables. So where it is supporting, so it will support only as the local variable where p is equal to 10. So look here, it's compiled fine, right? The same thing, okay. So I'm copying this, paste it here. Here, it's compiled fine. What the thing is, we can use this var keyword only as the local variable only, not with the, not as a global variable. Okay, here I can define hash map also. Yeah, got it right. So the next thing, what the next thing is, I can't able to initialize the var keyword with null. Okay, then also it will throw error. So these are the restrictions for the var keyword. So I think so you guys got the clear picture of the var keyword. Let's see on the next video.